came again today. This bunch can stay. The hole is black everywhere. We saw it the other day. Did you dare to do it then? So close. Fool of harvest. Flower bar. This group, is it still easier to get? If you came last time, that honey didn't dare to do it. Shaodong still has high quality requirements for honey. Last time, which old Diane said, turn around and take it. To do what you say. If you can't marry, don't marry. No. Kidding. Hey. Oh, you're old enough. Old enough. How much rice can these charge? Let's see. After we cut off this small piece, see if it's beautiful. Come on, let's take a closer look. Including inside. All the waiting was worth it. Lao Tai. Look, it's full of honey. If the first batch has this kind of performance, guess inside. What would it look like? Harvest. We're ready to go. This tea is still relatively hard. Take a look inside. Yes, yes, you can take a look. Hey! Honey duck honey skin. Pink paper is so little. It will be broken after a while. What kind of swarm? This hole is also good for leaving paper. We don't need to waste a little bit of honey. Stay here. It's stuck here. This. Do you see it? It's pretty standard to leave paper. On this stone is. The space is relatively large, so we cut into the density and break off from here. Oh dear. Is the board inside the same? Cut here. 3-dimensional and powder skin. The alternate places stuck it here, this cardboard. Done. Hey. This orange one with moisture is the best. The noodles are damper. You see, it didn't fall out. Very clean this bunch, take out. Hey, it's cut off. Don't bump into you, pretend to fry you. Oh. I feel that the plate of honey inside is relatively large. Then let's see. Ouch. Our group of cardboard shots are very standard. The one in here. Isn't it normal, or is there more at the back? I won't marry her there. It's very neat. Maybe this. This winter? I don't know. No chance yet. Finally, the opportunity will not come. This is next year. We're done here. Get 2 boxes of nest honey. This hole is also very suitable for nesting. So I found 2 boxes. Then we'll deal with this hole for him again. Looking forward to next year. Once a year. The video of this issue has also been shared here. We also have more places to run today. See you next time. Bye.